Before we begin the calculation, it is important to understand the purpose of this tool. This calculator is created for educational purposes to help understand how zakat is calculated step by step. It provides an estimate based on the values entered by the user. For detailed or specific rulings, it is always recommended to consult a qualified Islamic scholar. In this video, we will go through the complete process in a simple and practical way. What are assets? Now, let's understand an important concept before calculating zakat, and that is assets. Assets are anything that you own that has financial value and can be converted into money. In simple words, these are the things that add to your wealth. For example, cash in hand, money in your bank account, gold, silver, investments, and money that others owe you are all considered assets. One very important point is that assets must have a clear market value, meaning we consider their current value. Also, items used for daily living like your personal house, car, clothes, and furniture are not included. So simply remember, if an asset is held for saving, wealth, or earning, include it. If it is for daily use, do not include it. What are liabilities? Now let's understand liabilities. Liabilities are the amounts of money that you owe to others. For example, loans, unpaid bills, utility expenses, and credit card dues. These are important because they reduce your total wealth. However, in zakat, only short-term or current liabilities are included. This means amounts that you have to pay now or within the next year. For example, if you have a long-term loan, you only include the installment due within 1 year, not the full loan amount. So remember, only include what you have to pay now or soon, not future long-term payments. What is Nisab? Now let's understand Nisab. Nisab is the minimum amount of wealth a person must have before zakat becomes obligatory. If your wealth is below Nisab, then no zakat is required. Nisab can be calculated using either gold or silver. Gold Nisab is based on 85 grams of gold. Silver Nisab is based on 612.36 grams of silver. We multiply these weights with the current market price to calculate Nisab. Most scholars recommend using silver Nisab because it allows more people to qualify and benefits the poor more. In this calculator, we use a drop-down to select either gold or silver. Another very important condition for zakat is the 1 lunar year rule. Zakat is only payable if your wealth remains above Nisab for 1 full lunar year, which is approximately 354 days. This means if your wealth reaches Nisab today, you will only pay zakat after 1 lunar year has passed, provided your wealth stays above the Nisab level during that time. If your wealth falls below Nisab during the year, the cycle resets. This condition ensures fairness in zakat calculation. Now let's move to the calculator. At the top, we have some important settings. First is the type of Nisab. Here, we can select gold or silver using the drop-down. Second is the currency selection. You can choose different currencies, and when you change the currency, all values including assets, liabilities, and zakat will automatically update. In this example, we are using PKR. Next, we enter the current market prices. This is very important. You should always enter the gold and silver price of the day you are calculating zakat. For example, today gold price is 36,500 per gram and silver price is 662 per gram. If you use another currency, you should convert these prices accordingly or check online rates. Now let's move to the assets section. First, we enter gold weight in grams. For example, 1 tolar of gold equals approximately 12 grams. So if you have 1 tolar, you enter 12 grams. Next is silver weight. In this example, we entered 10 grams. The calculator automatically converts these weights into value using the market prices. Next is cash in hand. This includes all physical cash you have. From an Islamic perspective, any saved cash must be included. Then comes bank balance. You should include all your bank accounts, including savings and current accounts. If you have multiple accounts, add them together. Next is investments. This includes shares, mutual funds, or any investment made for profit. Then business assets. This includes inventory or goods held for sale. Receivables and income receivable include money that others owe you. Loan given is also included if you expect to receive it back. Foreign currency or digital wallets should also be included. Finally, inventory or stock for sale must be included at market value. If you don't have any category, simply enter 0. After adding all these, the total assets in this example are 869,620. Now let's enter liabilities. Liabilities include all amounts you need to pay. Loan current portion means the amount you need to pay now. Loan installments include payments due within 1 year only. Accounts payable includes money owed to suppliers. Bills, utilities, taxes, and credit card dues should also be included if unpaid. Only current liabilities are included, not long-term future payments. In this example, total liabilities are 46,300. Now we calculate net zakatable wealth. This is done by subtracting liabilities from total assets. So, 869,620 minus 46,300 gives 823,320. This is your actual zakatable wealth. Now let's understand how Nisab, which is 405,382, is calculated. We selected Silver Nisab. Silver Nisab is 612.36 grams multiplied by silver price, which is 662. So, 612.36 multiplied by 662 gives approximately 405,382. Now we compare this with our net wealth. Since 823,320 is higher than 405,382, zakat becomes applicable. If we switch to gold from the drop-down, the Nisab will increase significantly because gold has a higher threshold. In that case, if net wealth is lower than gold Nisab, zakat becomes 0. Finally, zakat is calculated. Zakat is 2.5% of net wealth. So, 2.5% of 823,320 equals 20,583. This is the zakat payable amount. To summarize. First, we enter all assets. Then, we subtract liabilities. Then, we compare with Nisab. And if the wealth is above Nisab and remains for 1 lunar year, we calculate 2.5% as zakat. This method ensures an accurate and simple calculation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation helped you understand how to calculate zakat in a simple and clear way. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment below. Your feedback really helps me improve and create better content for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful and informative videos. Thank you, and take care.